Hello and welcome to 34 Brookview, a fantastic home located in Brampton, backing onto a gorgeous park and Fletcher's Creek. Come take a look and you'll find this is the house for you. This house is priced to sell. It has all of the things you would want to raise a family. Beautiful schools, parks, recreation, and just a family-friendly neighborhood. Some special features about this home include a large living and dining room, a family room with custom wet bar, and the perfect location. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and plenty of space for a growing family. Priced to sell, this home has all that you could want or need to raise a family or to enjoy peace and quiet, while still being walking distance to all the big city amenities. The basement may not be finished, but it's a great place to get a good workout, and you can make it what you want it. This fantastic home has the benefits of being a corner home backing onto Fred Klein Park and Fletcher's Creek. Follow the park path over the bridge and continue south towards the Chris Gibson Recreation Center, which has all the amenities one would want to raise a healthy, active family. Having many school options one might want to consider, the schools just steps away, like Our Lady of Fatima Catholic School or Glendale Public School. Not 5 minutes southeast, you will be in downtown Brampton, where you can enjoy Rose Theatre, Gage Park, Brampton's Farmers Market, Brampton Library, and much, much more. The downtown terminal and Brampton Transit bus station serve central Brampton. There is direct access to Via Rail and GO Transit trains, which make the commuter lifestyle all that more convenient when purchasing this home. This home is listed at a price that cannot be beat, and whoever the lucky person is that achieves this purchase will be getting a hell of a deal in this investment. How cool is it to have a river steps away from your backyard? This is a fantastic location. You really shouldn't miss this house. I'm Bradley Mayer-Harman with the Mayer-Harman Team, and if you enjoyed this virtual tour video, then you might even enjoy this house more by coming for a private showing. Make sure to contact myself or Jason for that showing, or if you'd like us to send you an email with the virtual feature sheet, we'd be happy to do that too. Have a great day and enjoy your summer.